The groove at the bottom of an IKEA mug has a hidden function. I always thought it was a manufacturing defect, but it is actually an important and extremely useful feature. You have probably noticed the small indentation on IKEA mugs. The small groove at the bottom of ceramic mugs is an exceptionally good idea. IKEA designers came up with this to solve an annoying problem. This ingenious solution is not often found in products from other companies. The function of the mysterious groove is related to washing the mug in the dishwasher. We place glasses and mugs upside down in the dishwasher. During washing, a large amount of water collects on the bottoms of the dishes. Mugs that do not have grooves collect all the leftover water. Therefore, when unloading the dishwasher, you can get very irritated by easily spilling water on yourself. The grooves in the mugs, however, immediately drain the water from the bottom, which flows away before you even open the appliance. Next time you wash dishes, compare a regular mug with one from IKEA with a groove. You'll be pleasantly surprised.